Here's Ella. Hey, how are you, Ella?
Well, I've been better.
You've been better? You'll be even better soon, I reckon.
Oh my god.
Oh, well, she's not falling asleep, that's for sure. Hey, now!
Oh my god! Fucking hell, that is amazing! There we go! Oh my god. Yes, Ella. What the hell? That is fucking wicked. Going again? No. I don't know, maybe I should.
Alright, do you get the bottle back?
Do I do it again?